link to slime. Okay, so I really want to try this out. Well, not try it. Is this the first time? I don't know if this is the first time I've done it. This is like the second time I've done it. Okay, this is like a different version because usually I do like adding a bucket of something to a snowman slime, but this time it's just gonna be regular slime. It's gonna be regular ingredients, so I really want to try it out. And yeah, and let's just get straight on into the video. Yo. First, gonna start this video off with like a nice quick iceberg. Very, very old iceberg. All right, guys. So first, gonna start with this white slime. It's very nice and glossy. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is a bucket of foam soap. So let's just go ahead and do that. Alright, guys, so I decided to use some paint today. Usually I use food colorings, but I wanted to try out the paint because I have some, so yeah. Alright, let's mix this in. Alright, this looks fantastic, I think. Alright, so we have our bucket here. We have our slime. Now let's go ahead and start filling it up with our foam soap. I wonder if we're gonna need more than one bottle of foam soap. It's gonna take a while, I feel like. Alright, we're almost there, guys. It smells really good. Oh wow, is this gonna be it? Okay, what is that end stuff? It's like beautiful. Alrighty, I feel like we might need like a teensy bit more, so I'm gonna go get another bottle. And I think I am done. Alright, okay, let's do this. It took like a whole bottle and a little bit of another bottle. Okay, this is very jiggly, but let's do this. Oh my gosh. Maybe I shouldn't have added it all at the same time. Oh gosh, guys, this is completely melting. Oh my gosh. Is it gonna get really fluffy though? I really wanna know because it kind of seems like it is and I am super excited about that. But it is kind of really, really, really melting. Alright guys, I mixed all of it up. Now it's kind of just a bunch of foam though. So I'm gonna add some more activator and we'll see if that helps. I hope it does because it kind of is just literally a bunch of colorful foam. Alright, let's go ahead and add some more. Okay, this is actually kind of really cool. Like, looks like a bunch of like fluffy eggs. I could not wait till this is all activated, guys. It's so crunchy and nice, but it's a literal mess. All right, well, this turned out to be very, very bad. This is terrible. But it does have a pretty cool texture. I can't wait till this clears up because it's probably gonna get a little bit softer. And also want to see the texture it will have because it has a lot of foam soap in it. All right, well, I think this is it for this one. I don't think I could continue getting everything. Everything's just so stuck to the table. So I guess that's it for this one. This one just basically reminds me of like scrambled eggs. But yeah. Okay, guys, let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, so as we were cleaning with this spatula, we saw that it's very satisfying to cut it. So I just want to show you guys. Excuse my hands, just completely ignore them.
That looks so
satisfying. Cool. It's a bunch of bananas. This is how bananas are made. Alright guys, next what we're doing is a bucket of foam beads. Oh my gosh. So I painted these foam beads myself, so I have like a lot of them, and I made this, it wasn't on purpose, but I made it really layered and it's beautiful. But anyways, let's go ahead and do this. So here's our slime. All right, so for this one, what color should we make it? Should we just maybe blue? I want to make it pink, so I'm gonna put some pink food coloring. Why does that look like eyes? All right, guys, you ready? So either we could just dump the whole bucket, or we put the slime inside the bucket, like, you know, drip it in there. I don't know, what should we do? I think we'll just dump it on there. Why not? I don't know. Let's just do both. I'm gonna drip it in and then I'm gonna dump it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that went everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, guys. This is the prettiest slime ever. Oh my gosh. These foam beads are beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This is like kid in a candy store or something, I don't know. This is amazing. Also, like my challenge, guys! Okay, so today we're gonna do, you guys have to try and put the like button with your toe. And if you don't have your toe out, then just use your elbow. Like, toe is the one for today. So yeah, all right, let's keep going. All right, so this is beautiful, but let's just continue adding our foam beads. We have barely even added like half a bucket, guys, of foam beads. So I don't know what's gonna happen when we add the rest. Oh my gosh, this is the prettiest slime ever. Like, oh my gosh. I feel like it kind of looks like Easter, but it also kind of looks like bubble gum. Go ahead and keep adding it. This is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Guys, should we call this like unicorn droppings or something? I don't know, like unicorn poop, unicorn candy foam, I don't know. But this is beautiful. I am obsessed, guys. Like I just love this. Okay, let's keep adding the foam. It's still pretty good, but here's how much more foam we have. We don't have that much more, so hopefully the slime could take more, a little bit more, you know? You could do this, slime. You could do it. It's okay. This turned into like a freaking cloud cream, guys. Watch. It looks like cloud cream. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's continue. We have this much more. We could do it, guys. Is it gonna be able to do it? I think it will. It's gonna be very rippy, but I think it will. Alright guys, so here is the cube. Look at how beautiful it is. It has all the foam beads in it. So let's go ahead and stretch it now. It's not really it's not really satisfying anymore. But it's still cute. It's still very cute. Okay, well, I think that this is actually really pretty, but I think we should add some slime to it so it comes back to normal and like looks beautiful again. But yeah, this is what happens when you add a whole bucket of foam beads to an 8-ounce container of slime. This is so pretty. Okay, anyways, okay, next one, guys, is gonna be jelly cubes. Yeah, we're gonna be adding a whole bucket of jelly cubes to an 8-ounce of slime. I wonder how that's gonna turn out. Don't know. I'm trying to imagine it, but I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. But let's go ahead and do it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take our clear slime out. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm gonna make it pink. I know we just did pink, but this time I'm gonna give it a nice little pearlescent purple touch to it. So yeah. Oh, such a beautiful color. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. I like how this is pearlescent, but like not completely pearlescent, so you can still see my fingers, so it's still kind of clear, but it's just pearlescent enough. Okay, let's add our jelly cubes. A whole bucket, guys, of jelly cubes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is actually really satisfying right now. It's so crackly. I don't think this is gonna go well, guys. Oh my gosh, oh, look at how crackly it is. Okay. Once all the jelly cubes have soaked up the slime, there's gonna be no slime left. All right, let's keep adding. This is barely anything, guys. We still have this whole thing. Oh my gosh. This is insane. You know what? I don't know if we should keep adding, guys. I don't know if it's gonna be able to keep it. This so like crunchy. Literally, I feel like it's at its max right now, but I'm gonna try anyways. Oh my gosh, guys, this is insane. I'm just trying so hard to get these. Oh my gosh, they're ripping. Oh my gosh. It's so crunchy. This literally absorbed all the slime. This is what happens when you add a whole bucket of sponges to an 8 ounce of slime. That's not even that much. I guess it is. But, oh my gosh, look at this, guys. The sponges literally completely absorbed all the slime. This reminds me of like Floam, like store-bought Floam. Oh my gosh, guys, this is insane. All right, well, that's what happened. It's kind of funny how all the sponges kind of like deflated because it was like a whole bucket of them. But yeah, this is it, guys. Okay, well, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment down below if you want part 2. And as always, so much, and I really hope it sees you next time. Bye.